Alright, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a couple things I discovered that you can do with your keypad. I own a Lincoln Town Car Signature Series, but I'm assuming this works with all Ford models. So first we're going to unlock the car. Okay. So now these last two buttons on the end, the 7, 8 and the 9 and 0 buttons, will lock your car. But what I've discovered is if you put in your code and then press 3, 4, it unlocks the rest of the car. Alright, so we're going to lock the car. I'm going to show you how to unlock your trunk. Alright, YouTube, have a great day. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you will know when I make other informational videos. I have a few coming up. The GoPro Hero 1, I have one that's 14 years old, still works. I'm going to review the cases, the Bauer Multipod 6-in-1 tripod for desktop, etc., etc. So I got a few other videos coming up, and you can help me grow this channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you. Have a great day.